Low pressure very much dominates the week ahead, a rather unsettled outlook, I'm afraid. This is your fleeting view from MWIS. Monday's chart sees that low then parked across the country, a tangle of fronts wrapped around with some areas of persistent rain, some slow-moving heavy showers, and one or two locations getting away with it for a largely dry day with some cloud breaks and some sunshine, but you'll do well if you do manage to stay dry all the way through. Light winds around the centre of the low, but around the flank of the low across Wales, the winds may well be up to gale force for periods across the higher mountains. This is your rainfall sequence through the day, the 3-hour accumulations up until the time shown, and gives a generalised view of where things are going. In the morning, some persistent and heavy rain likely to be coming in from the west across Wales, areas of rain and showers rotating around the low into the eastern side of Scotland, perhaps across the North Pennines as well. Basically, those will continue to move around slowly throughout the course of the day, and in places rain could be almost constant across eastern Scotland, and some slow-moving, heavy showers across central parts of the Highlands. Locally, it might even produce some hail and thunder. Showers a bit more scattered around the Pennines may start to push a little bit further eastwards to the Vale of York as time goes on, and the Lake District may just escape with very few showers through the day. The risk is of some rain out toward the west over the Irish Sea, just moving a bit further in towards northwest England as we head toward the later part of the day, and still there'll be showers rotating across the Scottish Highlands as we head to Monday evening, then tending to fade out. Heading further on, and we still have low pressure that will dominate over several days ahead. The low just shuffling a little bit further northwards as we go towards Tuesday and Wednesday, which means that the westerly wind will tend to strengthen, soonest across Wales and northern England for Tuesday, where a blustery day will drive frequent rain and some heavy showers in from the Irish Sea. Showers still circulating around the low across Scotland under largely light winds here. That low then, as we go onwards, Tuesday into Wednesday, stays in charge to the north. Those westerly winds stronger even across the Highlands. There could be the risk of gale or severe gale force winds across the higher tops, at least for part of the day on Wednesday, as that strong westerly is in charge. It will drive again bands of showers in from the west, perhaps most frequent across the West Highlands at this stage, the Northwest Highlands too, a scattering of showers likely across the western hills of England and Wales. Again, these may just tend to fade out a little bit as pressure begins to build a touch from the south. Temperatures becoming chillier as that airflow comes in more off the North Atlantic, at least for a time. But we're now watching into Thursday what happens with this developing low to the southwest, the potential at least for that to develop into another potent storm system with some heavy rain and the risk of gale force winds pretty widely. Stormy conditions not out of the question. I wouldn't be absolutely pinning down the detail as per this chart at this stage, but it's the risk nevertheless of some further very wet and windy weather to close out the week, and we're likely then to finish off the week with a cool west by northwesterly flow and some heavy showers with some hail and some snow on the higher mountains in Scotland. All in all, pretty unsettled. Stay up to date with your local forecast then every day on our website. That's been your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.